Hi everyone and welcome back to Didi Toys channel. Today we are going to crochet these small Christmas hats. I use them to decorate my Christmas hairbands and toys. All the materials and tools are listed in description box below. I start crocheting by 2 chain stitches. You may start by a magic circle. Then crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the second stitch from the hook or into the magic circle if you chose that way of starting. I use a thread of a different color to mark the round's beginning. You may use a special plastic marker if you wish. 4, 5, and the last one. So, the first round is ready. Now we are going to crochet 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch around. 1 and 2 into the same loop. Again 1, 2, the third increase, 1, 2, 2 more stitches, 1, 2, 1, 2, and the last increase, 1, 2. The second round is ready. We need a small pom-pom, that is why we're going to decrease in the next round. So 6 decreases for the round 3. I make simple decreases because I use Alize Softy Plus and there is no need to make invisible ones. So that's the second decrease. I just insert the hook into the first loop, pull the thread, then do the same for the next one. After that, I pull the thread through all the loops I've got on the hook. And the last decrease. The round is ready and you should get 6 stitches in total. The pom-pom is almost ready. What we need to do now is cut the thread, tighten the hole, and fasten off. Use a needle to tighten the hole. Insert the thread into it, and after that insert the needle through front loops only. After you did it for all 6 stitches, insert the needle into the middle of the hole. Now pull the thread and fasten off. You may leave the thread here and sew this side to the head, or return it where it was at the beginning. I start crocheting the head from 2 chain stitches. You may start by a magic circle if you find it convenient. Now 6 half double crochet stitches into the second stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The first round is ready and now we are going to increase, making 3 increases in a round. So a half double crochet stitch followed by an increase 3 times for the round 2, 9 stitches in total. Now 2 half double crochet stitches in one loop, 1, 2, a half double crochet stitch, 2 half double crochet stitches in one loop, and the round is ready. Almost the same for the next round. Now you need to crochet 2 half double crochet stitches followed by an increase 3 times, 12 stitches in total. An increase of half double crochet stitches, 1, 2, now 2 half double crochet stitches, 1, 2, an increase, 1, 2, 2 more half double crochet stitches, 1, 2, and the final increase, 1, 2. The round is ready and we continue to increase. Now 3 half double crochet stitches followed by an increase 3 times. You should get 15 stitches in total. 2, 1 more half double crochet stitch. Now an increase, 1, 2. Now 3 half double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, and increase again, and 3 more half double crochet stitches, 2, 3, and an increase, 1, 2. The round is ready and we are going to crochet one more round with 3 increases. This time you need to crochet 4 half double crochet stitches followed by an increase 3 times, and you'll get 18 stitches in total. An increase, 4 half double crochet stitches, 2, 3, and 4. 1 more increase, 4 more half double crochet stitches, 2, 3, 4, and the last increase, 1, 2. So that was the last round of red color, and now we are going to change the color, but first we need to make this edge look better. That is why we need to crochet a single crochet stitch and then change the color. Now pull the thread through the next loop, but don't finish crocheting the stitch. Now take white thread and pull it through the loops on the hook. Now cut the red thread and continue crocheting, hiding the tails in the process. We are going to crochet through front loops only. That's the front one and that's the back one. We need only the front loops. Don't forget to weave in the yarn tails in the process. 1, front loops only. Now we need to make the color change less visible. First, cut the thread, pull it through the loop. It doesn't look so good, does it? So, let's make it much better. Insert the yarn tail into the needle and then insert the needle onto the loops. Pull the needle and then insert it between the loops of the previous stitch. It looks much better now. Fasten the thread and weave in the yarn tail. Cut all the yarn tails left. So, the hat is almost ready. We need just to sew the pompon. Insert the thread into the needle, attach the pompon to the hat, and then sew it. Now fasten off and weave in the yarn tail. The hat is ready. You may leave it like that, or you can fold it and sew it a bit differently, like this. If you like it this way, you should leave a longer tail for sewing or use an additional thread to sew the pompon to the hat. Anyway, that's all. Hope you've enjoyed crocheting this Christmas hat with me. Follow Didi Toys for more tutorials and crocheting tips. Thanks for watching. See you!